The Pahambir Catholic Church marked the culmination of its Golden Jubilee celebration on Sunday with a solemn Holy Mass in the morning, followed by an evening of cultural program. The event served as a tribute to the 50-year journey since the church's establishment in 1974, starting with a small group of devoted believers at the Pahambir's Catholic Church. Father Roland Karkrang played a pivotal role as the main celebrant during the Holy Mass, drawing the participation of thousands of Catholic believers. The Mass was followed by the reverent distribution of Eucharist. The founders of Pahambir Catholic Church were honoured during the celebration, and the Golden Jubilee flag was ceremoniously lowered by the MDC of Nongpo, Balajit Rani, adding a symbolic touch to the memorable occasion.
Jemput kajing ke Jubilee. Bila nang tadi, bila nang jemput jom kekam kejam berkot, kemudian pendeng simpi untuk kapan kek atau kapan kek atau kan ini tidak ada tanda kapan balang Pahambir tu nang sana rangwa. Si kentin naga si ki jom polus siapa balang hakilipi. Dia kini nada snuskan sibuknya bau tahu balasan ya tambah happy usaha pendat ya ka usnang yalam pi hadu bahkan kena dapura hadu kena poin kita di sini tunggu aja sekolah katakan di jendua ini nak kebentar jampi kabalang Pahambir.